Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to download videos using a browser extension. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser, then open Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for video downloader. Press enter. Here you will download any of the video downloader. Click on add to Chrome. Now go to the any website where you will see the videos, like I'm in the Pinterest. Here you will see the videos. Now click on the link, click on the extension. Here you will see you can download any video without sign up, login or free of cost. You can also preview the video. Any video, then click on the download button, save on it, and it will be downloaded successfully. You can go to any of the website. Some websites like YouTube don't allow downloads due to copyright restrictions, so you use this method only for personal and legal content. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you, press the like button, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.